Welcome. As we work this math problem within the shortest time possible. So let's start with the solution. To change 9x into an index form. 9x is the same as 3 to power 2x. Therefore, our solution is 3 to power 2x plus 3 to power 2x, which is equals to 162. Since they are the same, we factorize. 3 2x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 162. 3 to 2x into bracket 2 is equals to 162. We divide both sides by 2. 3 to power 2x is equals to 81. If we change 81 into an index form, 81 is the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Therefore, is equals to 3 to power 4. 3 to power 2x is the same as 3 to power 4. 3 power 2x is equals to 3 power 4. Therefore, we use the index. 3 to 2x is equals to 4. 2x, which is equals to 4. We divide both sides by 2. Divide by 2. Therefore, our x is equals to 2.